Now class, today we will learn about decimal. Chapter number 3, decimal. What is decimal? When we write anything in the point form. जब भी किसी चीज़ को हम किस में लिखते हैं, point form में लिखते हैं, that is the decimal. Now see here example 3.178. How do we read it? We read it like 3.178. The digits after decimal are read it individually. 42.09, 3217.00178. Now see here, in this number there are two parts. This is known as the whole part, and the part after the point after the decimal is known as decimal part. Here 42 is whole part and 9 is decimal part. Here this is whole part or whole number, and this is the decimal number or decimal part. Now student, we will see what are the decimal places. Number of digits, number of places after the decimal are known as decimal places. In this number, how many decimal places are there? How many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 decimal places. In this number, the decimal places are 2. Here the decimal places are 5. So the number of digits after the decimal are known as decimal places. Now since we will see what are the like decimals and unlike decimals. Like decimal क्या होते हैं और unlike decimal क्या होते हैं? Like decimals are the decimal number with the same number of decimal places, जहाँ पर same decimal places होती हैं. And what are the decimal places? I have told you already. Now see example. Now see here. What are the decimal places? In each number, the decimal places are equal. 2 here, 2 here, 2 and 2. The decimal places in these numbers are 2. That means they are the like decimals. What are the like decimals? जिनकी decimal places same होती हैं. And इसका opposite unlike decimal. What are the unlike decimal? जिनकी decimal places different होती हैं. What are the like decimal? जहाँ पर decimal places different होती हैं. Now see example class. Now see class. Here the decimal places are 2. Here decimal places are 3. Here decimal places are 4, and here decimal places are 3. In all 4 numbers, the decimal places are different. So they are the unlike fractions. Unlike decimals. Now class, we will learn the conversion from decimal number to a fraction. How do we convert a decimal into the fraction? Let's see an example. This is a decimal number. So to convert it to the fraction, first remove the decimal. After removing the decimal, put the zero equal to the number of digits after the decimal place. जितनी भी डेसिमल प्लेस थी उतने हम ज़ीरो रख देंगे. यहाँ पर डेसिमल प्लेस 1 है तो वी विल पुट 1 0 here. In this question, decimal places कितनी है? 2. So we will, after removing the decimal, we will put 2 zeros. Now see here, This is 2 upon 10. We will always leave the fraction in the simplest form. इसे reducible form में नहीं छोड़ेंगे, simplest form में रखेंगे. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now this is the answer. After converting 0.2 into the fraction, it is 1 upon 5. In this question, 35 upon 100. 5 7s are 35. 5 into 20. This is the answer. Here convert these numbers in the fraction. First, remove the decimal and put the zeros equal to the number of decimal places. Decimal places 2. So we will put 2 0. Point के बाद 2 digit है तो 2 0 यहाँ पर put कर देंगे. Now divide. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are. Now see class, this is the improper fraction. So we will convert it into the mixed fraction. It will be this. Do the another question. First of all, remove the decimal. After removing the decimal, we will write 3 zeros in the denominator and convert it into the simplest form. So 5. These are 15. It is 37 upon 20 and it is the improper fraction. So we will convert it into the proper fraction. It is the answer.